Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa and today I'm going to be talking about Minecraft server hosting. For you guys, if you want to install your hosting with the guys from Minecraft server hosting, I'm going to be giving you a promo code in which you are going to get discounted 50% off. Yes, don't forget that the link is under the video description, and then I will also drop the code for you to get your 50% discount. Yes, as you can see, Apex Hosting is one of the biggest Minecraft server hosting all over the world. Yes, they offer Java and Bedrock Edition servers, 24/7 chat and ticket support, all mod and plugin support, free server transfers, 7-day money back guarantee, and many other features as you can see right here. Yes, you can create your Minecraft server with ease. We make it simple to create your Minecraft server by providing the best Minecraft server hosting for any version you would like to start with industry-leading customer service. Yes, the guys from Minecraft hosting are here. I am talking about Apex Hosting. Yes, one-click mod packs, DDoS protection, 24 servers and support, ultra low latency. Yes, it's the most important. Data centers around the world, provide a nearby location for every customer, and great ping for your players. Instant setup, free subdomain, automated backups, and powerful panel. Yes, Minecraft hosting for everyone with the guys from Apex Minecrafthosting.com. Yes, the world's best control panel with integrated video guides, as you can see right here. Integrated video guides. We support all of Minecraft with a large collection of videos, written guides and tutorials. Yes, they have plugins, mods, mini games, maps, control panels, server errors, general. Yes, latest from the blog. Yes, they are talking about the blogs here. You can also test their server locations. Our test servers around the world provide the lowest ping for your players. Yes, as you can see right here. They have this test in Portland, Oregon, Los Angeles, Dallas, yes, in Germany as well, Istanbul, Tokyo, India, and in many other countries. Yes, don't forget guys that I'm gonna be dropping my link down below for you to go to Apex Hosting, and also copy the code below for you to get a 50% discount. Thank you for watching my video.